Everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome. Now for many of you, your default laptop or PC will come with Microsoft Edge installed. And you and I both know we don't want those crap slow internet speeds on that Microsoft stuff. We all know that we all hate Microsoft Edge. So instead of actually using Microsoft's browser, which it's always going to try and make you do, we're going to be downloading Google Chrome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome. To begin, you want to open up Microsoft Edge, and we're going to go to download Chrome. From there, we should see the first website. For me, it is in Turkish, unfortunately. Let me change that. Okay, so it's not gonna change, but I'm gonna show you guys either way. You can follow through. There we go. So give it a second. Okay, so you simply want to press on download Chrome right here. And it's gonna bring you to the thank you page. However, we still haven't downloaded it yet. To continue, we need to locate our downloads bar, which should be right here. Never mind. Right here. I have no idea. Oh, yes. So you want to press on these three dots right here. And from here, we want to go to downloads. As you can see, nothing is downloaded. So we are going to go back, and I'm going to press that once more. And there you go. So as you can see, the download has started. This already shows how horrible Microsoft Edge's PC is. It's going to say it's going to harm your device, but it isn't. Relax. We're going to press on keep. And you're going to press on open file. Now, once again, it's showing how slow Microsoft Edge is. I'll get back to you as soon as it's done opening. Okay. So there you have it. It should be open like this. I'm sorry. Chrome was like really messing up. Microsoft Edge, I mean. So it's gonna show you it's downloading and how many seconds there is left. So as you can see, 26, 25. It's quite a fast install, and I promise even your browsing will be faster than this crap web browser right here. However, there is a better browser called Opera GX, which I use here. So if you guys want me to make a video on Opera GX, be sure to comment down below. But that's for another time. At the moment, I'm going to be showing you how to download Google Chrome. So in 8 seconds, approximately 8 seconds, my Google Chrome should be downloaded. Download time will differ depending on your internet speed. As you can see, it says download has been completed, of course for me in Turkish. So we're not going to close it, sorry. We're going to wait once again. I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. As you can see, my Chrome just got installed. Now, I have all these accounts because I've had Chrome before, but for you, it should be completely empty. So you can simply press on make an account. So we're going to press on add right here, and you want to press on sign in. Or we can do continue with an account, sorry. You want to press on continue without an account. From here, you can customize your Chrome experience. Let's do light blue and add a name label. Let's do Gary. Sorry. And you're going to press on done. And as you can see, Chrome is opened and you are free to use Google Chrome. There you have it. That is how you can download Google Chrome on your Windows PC. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys shortly. Goodbye.